SpaceX's mighty Falcon Heavy rocket successfully launched a mission that left NASA scientists in awe. The mission, bound for the Psyche asteroid, is a remarkable step forward in our understanding of space. This asteroid is a strange, metal-rich object, and the Psyche spacecraft will spend almost 6 years traveling 2.2 billion kilometers to reach it by July 2029. The launch took place at 10:19 a.m. from NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida, marking a significant milestone in space exploration. NASA's goal with this mission is to study the composition of the Psyche asteroid, which is believed to be rich in metals. The spacecraft is equipped with a variety of scientific instruments to analyze the asteroid's magnetic field and chemical makeup. The total cost of this mission is approximately $1.2 billion, with NASA awarding SpaceX a $131 million contract to launch it. This marks the 8th launch of SpaceX's Falcon Heavy, their most powerful rocket to date. Let's take a step back to 2010 when the concept of Falcon Heavy was first envisioned. At that time, NASA's Space Launch System, SLS, was expected to be the world's largest and most powerful rocket, touted for its supposed cost-effectiveness and speed of construction, utilizing components from the Space Shuttle program. However, SpaceX was also developing its heavy-lift vehicle, the Falcon Heavy, which was comparable to SLS in terms of payload capacity. In 2014, NASA Administrator Charlie Bolden remarked that there wasn't a commercially available heavy-lift vehicle, implying skepticism about Falcon Heavy's potential. Fast forward to 2016, and Bolden still doubted the readiness of commercial companies to handle such tasks. Ironically, by 2018, SpaceX had successfully launched Falcon Heavy, outpacing NASA and its primary contractor Boeing, who would not launch SLS until 2022. The total cost for SLS had ballooned to $23.8 billion by this time. The dramatic cost differences between Falcon Heavy and SLS are striking. Falcon Heavy offers an incredibly cost-effective alternative, capable of lifting more to low Earth orbit, 70 tons versus SLS's 64 tons, and flying larger payloads due to its bigger fairing. However, these advantages come with a much lower price tag. NASA spends about $3 billion annually on SLS development and ground systems at Kennedy Space Center. Originally planned for a 2017 launch, SLS's first flight was delayed until 2022, adding billions to the cost. NASA's use of Falcon Heavy instead of SLS would have saved substantial amounts of money. In practical terms, NASA didn't pay for the development of Falcon Heavy. SpaceX's use of Launch Complex 39A, leased from NASA, even saves the space agency about $1 million annually in maintenance costs. This brings us to a fundamental question: why continue spending billions of taxpayer dollars on a rocket that is becoming obsolete? Lori Garver, NASA's deputy administrator from 2009 to 2013, pointed out that continuing to fund SLS diverts resources from more scientifically valuable missions, such as transfer vehicles or landers that could take us further into space. The enormous costs and delays associated with SLS highlight the efficiency and potential of commercial ventures like SpaceX. The success of SpaceX's Falcon Heavy mission underscores the changing landscape of space exploration. It's a clear indicator that the commercial development of large rockets represents the future of the industry. Despite SLS having a higher lift capacity and more capable upper stage for deep space missions, these improvements come at a prohibitive cost. The direct comparison between Falcon Heavy and SLS costs is sobering. NASA could have purchased multiple Falcon Heavy launches for the cost of a single SLS delay. Each billion-dollar overrun could have funded 110 reusable Falcon Heavy launches or 67 expendable ones, providing up to 3,800 tons of lift capacity. This is equivalent to 10 international space stations or a significant lunar base. In conclusion, NASA's decision to continue with SLS despite its high costs and delays raises questions about the allocation of resources. The success of Falcon Heavy demonstrates that commercial entities can achieve remarkable feats at a fraction of the cost. This mission is a testament to the potential of commercial space exploration and a reminder of the need to reassess priorities in space funding. The Psyche mission aims to provide critical insights into the building blocks of planet formation. The asteroid Psyche is unique because it appears to be the exposed nickel-iron core of an early planet, one of the building blocks of our solar system. By studying Psyche, scientists hope to better understand the violent history of collisions and accretion that created terrestrial planets. The spacecraft will map the asteroid's surface, analyze its composition, and study its gravitational field to determine the distribution of its mass. The scientific instruments on board the Psyche spacecraft include a gamma-ray and neutron spectrometer to detect and measure the composition of Psyche's surface, a magnetometer to measure the asteroid's magnetic field, and a multispectral imager to capture high-resolution images of the surface and provide data on the terrain and its features. These instruments will help scientists unlock the secrets of this mysterious asteroid and gain new insights into the formation of our solar system. NASA's collaboration with SpaceX on the Psyche mission exemplifies the growing trend of public-private partnerships in space exploration. This collaboration allows NASA to leverage the innovation and cost efficiency of the private sector while focusing its resources on scientific research and exploration. The success of this mission could pave the way for future collaborations and inspire new approaches to space exploration. The economic implications of using Falcon Heavy for such missions are significant. By opting for SpaceX's Falcon Heavy, NASA is able to allocate more resources towards scientific research and exploration rather than spending exorbitant amounts on launch systems. This approach not only saves money but also accelerates the timeline for achieving mission objectives, allowing for more frequent and ambitious missions in the future. Furthermore, the success of Falcon Heavy has broader implications for the space industry as a whole. It demonstrates the viability of commercial spaceflight and encourages further investment in private space ventures. This competitive environment fosters innovation, reduces costs, and expands the possibilities for space exploration and commercialization. The Psyche mission is just one example of how commercial space companies like SpaceX are transforming the landscape of space exploration. With their ability to develop and launch advanced rockets at a fraction of the cost of traditional government programs, companies like SpaceX are making space more accessible and opening up new opportunities for scientific discovery and technological advancement. Looking ahead, the potential for future missions using Falcon Heavy is vast. From deep space exploration to satellite deployment and interplanetary missions, Falcon Heavy's capabilities provide a versatile and cost-effective solution for a wide range of space endeavors. As NASA continues to collaborate with commercial partners, the pace of space exploration is set to accelerate, bringing us closer to achieving our goals of exploring and understanding the universe. In summary, the recent launch of SpaceX's Falcon Heavy carrying the Psyche mission to a distant asteroid has highlighted the immense potential of commercial spaceflight. The cost efficiency, innovation, and reliability demonstrated by SpaceX set a new standard for the industry and challenged traditional approaches to space exploration. As we move forward, the collaboration between NASA and commercial companies will be crucial in driving the future of space exploration and unlocking the mysteries of our solar system. The benefits of utilizing Falcon Heavy extend beyond just cost savings and scientific advancement. The ability to launch heavy payloads more frequently and reliably opens up new possibilities for space missions that were previously considered too expensive or complex. For example, constructing a lunar base or a Mars outpost becomes more feasible with the capabilities of Falcon Heavy, as it can transport the necessary infrastructure and supplies in fewer trips, reducing the overall mission complexity and risk. Moreover, the success of Falcon Heavy reinforces the importance of reusable rocket technology. By reusing the first stages of the rocket, SpaceX can significantly lower the cost of each launch, making space more accessible not only to governmental agencies like NASA but also to private enterprises and international partners. This democratization of space access could lead to a new era of global cooperation and innovation in space exploration. The impact of Falcon Heavy's success is already being felt across the industry. Other commercial space companies are taking note and investing in their own heavy lift capabilities, further driving competition and innovation. This competitive environment ensures that the costs of space exploration will continue to decrease while the capabilities of launch vehicles will improve, benefiting the entire space community. As we look to the future, the possibilities for space exploration seem boundless. With the combined efforts of NASA, SpaceX, and other commercial partners, we are on the brink of a new golden age of space exploration. Missions to asteroids, the Moon, Mars, and beyond are no longer the stuff of science fiction but are becoming achievable goals within our lifetime. The Psyche mission, in particular, stands as a testament to what can be accomplished when public and private sectors work together towards a common goal. The data gathered from this mission will not only enhance our understanding of planetary formation but also provide invaluable information for future missions that aim to explore and utilize the resources of asteroids and other celestial bodies. In closing, the recent launch of SpaceX's Falcon Heavy rocket carrying the Psyche mission to a distant asteroid has demonstrated the incredible potential of commercial spaceflight. The cost savings, innovation, and reliability offered by SpaceX are setting new benchmarks for the industry and prompting a re-evaluation of traditional space exploration methods. As NASA and commercial companies continue to collaborate, we can look forward to an exciting future of discovery and exploration, unlocking the mysteries of our solar system and beyond. That wraps up today's episode. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and turn on notifications so you don't miss any important updates. Your support is what drives us to continue delivering high-quality content. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you next time.